everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so now here we are at the Dollar Tree at the front of the store where all the Christmas stuff is being put out. So I'm going to walk around and show you this while I announce some reminders. Okay guys, so I need you to grab your coffee, grab a pad or a calendar and a pen, and then sit down and write these collabs. Remember to pause the video as you're writing these dates down because you don't want to miss any of them. Okay, so we're going to start first with Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, this is every single Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, in the month of November, November 15 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have a guest host coming in, and that's Grandma Sandy and her daughter Debbie, and I believe her channel is Blossom Your Creativity. They did ask for a theme, and it's called Farmhouse Harvest. So that is the only change in Tablescape Tuesdays. Every other time it's freestyle. Now we're going to move over to Sophisticated Saturdays, and it's every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have a guest host coming in, and it is the Glam Queen of Decor, Tammy, and she does have a theme, and it's rustic glam. So we don't want to miss that. That's going to be really great. Remember that Tablescape Tuesdays and Sophisticated Saturdays is hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now this one is called Holiday Dishes from Around the World. This one is so much fun. So it's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Penny's Lifestyle Living. And this is for November 16 at 6 p.m. Remember, Eastern Standard Time. Now we'll move over to the next one. Now this collaboration is also so awesome. It's called A Princess Dream Collaboration, and that's for November 18 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the host of this collab is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and the Glam Queen of Decor, and that's Tammy. So this here is an awesome collab, and this is called We Gather Together Collaboration. It's going to be held November 9 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is being hosted by Glam Elegant Living, the Grace Life DIY, and Penny's Lifestyle Living. Guys, I don't want you to miss out on any of these collabs. Remember, they are open invites. You are cordially invited to attend all of them, and pretty much they're all freestyle, so these are really easy. But I didn't want to close out without letting you know that I am bringing back the Decorate a Lantern collaboration, the Christmas edition, and this is for December 7 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm also bringing back the Wreaths Galore collaboration, which did great. That's also, remember, open collab, December 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all of the details to these collabs, which basically are freestyle, are going to be in my community tab. And I certainly want each and every one of you to join in. I don't want you to miss out. I cannot wait to see you there. So let's continue with this video, and I'm pretty much done right now with the updates. I'll come back with another reminder, guys. Now guys, I'm also going to be hosting or I should say co-hosting, in a collaboration called Entertaining for the Holiday, and the host of this collab is Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. The co-host of this collab is At Home with Lisa, Jill Style, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So this is for November 19 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So guys, I can't wait to see you in all these collabs. All this does is promote our channels, and hopefully we'll get to meet new people, and our subscribers will go up, and so will our time. So that's pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.